Hey, Mr. Carrera,
Yes.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yes. So I brought this case before you because I'm currently paying for extracurricular activities for our daughter.
Okay.
And it's a little bit more money than I thought it was going to be. So I would like my wife, Sheila, to reimburse me for it.
Okay. So you guys are separated?
Yes.
Okay. What type of extracurricular activities is the child involved?
So our daughter is very big into sports.
Okay.
So she plays soccer, and it's just like the cost of cleats, the cost of like gloves, because she plays goalie. It's just a lot of upkeep for me.
Tensions erupt in court as Mr. Carrillo demands his ex-wife cover the rising cost of their daughter's pricey soccer gear, cleats, gloves, and upkeep that's adding up fast. Despite their separation, he argues she should foot the bill since she's earning six figures. But the judge isn't about to let this dispute slide. What happens next will leave everyone stunned.
It's just like the cost of cleats, the cost of like gloves, because she plays goalie. It's just a lot of upkeep for me, and she makes more money than I do, so I kind of want help with it.
Okay. I see here, ma'am, from the tax returns that you make about $100,000 a year.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Child support was not previously ordered.
Yes.
Okay. So are you guys in agreement to do that, or or you don't want to pay child support? What's going on?
I don't think it's necessary. We split her 50-50. She's at my house just as much. She's with me just as much, if not more.
Your Honor, I would say that's probably an argument for her to pay me. If we're splitting 50-50, I shouldn't have to pay all.
A bombshell shakes a courtroom when it's revealed that the mother earns $100,000 a year yet refuses to pay child support. The judge isn't convinced by her stance, especially after the father points out they share custody 50-50 and questions why he's left covering all the expenses. His challenge stuns everyone in the room. Will the judge finally order her to contribute? The outcome will leave you speechless.
I would say that's probably an argument for her to pay me. If we're splitting 50-50, I shouldn't have to pay all of it.
That's exactly what I was getting ready to say. So you kind of like told on yourself. So you ready to move forward with the numbers?
Sure.
Okay, well, let's go ahead and get ready with the numbers. So it looks like you make, like I said, $100,000 a year. Do you work overtime, or is that regularly what you make?
No, I work overtime. But
Okay. And does that include overtime?
Yes, ma'am. It's a salaried position, so it's just straight out.
Okay, got it. All right. So at $100,000 a year, I have your gross at $10,000 a month.
The moment of truth arrives as a judge carefully reviews the numbers, putting Mom's $100,000 salary under the microscope. But then comes the twist. She works overtime while insisting it's part of her regular salary. The judge isn't buying it and rules her gross income at $10,000 a month. Just when it seems clear-cut, health insurance costs shift the balance, changing everything. The final amount decided will leave you in disbelief.
All right. So at $100,000 a year, I have your gross at $10,000 a month. Before I continue, who pays health insurance?
We both do.
We both.
Okay, how much do you pay?
$348 or $386. I believe.
$386.
Yeah,
Okay.
$386.
And I
how
pay
much?
$200.
Okay, and you both plan on maintaining those health insurance policies?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. That way, nobody has to reimburse anybody for health insurance, but because you do carry health insurance and you're going to be ordered to pay child support, I can give you credit for the $386.
Okay.
So that brings your net down to $6,988.19. Which, how many children? Just one?
Just
The judge slams a gavel and rules that Mom must pay $1,391.64 in child support each month. But her reaction says it all. Furious, she insists it's too much. But the judge shuts her down, reminding her she makes six figures and the law is the law. Will she accept the ruling? Or is this battle just beginning? The tension in the courtroom is unreal.
Your net down to $6,988.19, which, how many children? Just one?
just
one.
Okay, so 20% of that brings your child support obligation to $1,391.64. That should cover any expenses and anything like that, because the child is heavily involved, sounds like, in extracurricular activities, excuse me. Are there any other questions?
Nope.
You
No,
don't,
no,
you
no.
don't look happy about this. What's going on?
I just think that it's a bit of an exorbitant amount, but we discussed it in the beginning when the split happened. He agreed, and
Agreed to what amount?
The judge delivers a harsh reality check, reminding Mom that child support only rises as a child's needs grow. She tries to argue, but the judge shuts her down, pointing out that she chose a salary and must face the responsibility. The message is crystal clear. Pay up. Yet as the case is dismissed, one question hangs heavy in the air. Will Mom actually comply? Or is the battle far from over? The drama is just beginning.
when the split happened, he agreed, and
Agreed to what amount?
none.
Oh, you're saying child support. But you do understand that as the child gets older and, heavily involved in
Yes.
different activities, I wasn't done.
Oh, sorry.
Involved heavily in different activities, you understand that expenses increase.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and the amount of child support is based on how much money you make. Child support is based on a simple calculation. So you make $100,000 a year, that's what your child support is. I mean, if you want it to be lower, you chose the profession.
Yeah.
Okay, so if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
The gavel falls and the case is closed, but the debate is only just beginning. Should high-earning parents be required to pay more? And was this ruling truly fair? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you stand with the judge, don't forget to subscribe for more explosive courtroom drama. One thing certain, when it comes to child support, the law doesn't play favorites. Will Mom learn her lesson, or is another clash on the horizon? Only time will tell.